If you're doing provincial or state testing this month, like me, I have something for you. If you're like me, after all these years that I've taught grade 3 and 6, I haven't had time because I've been teaching the curriculum to get ready for state testing. But I've been doing it this year, and I don't teach to a test, right? Like everything that we have covered, it will be on the standardized test, and I don't teach to it. I've been doing this and I feel like it has helped to at least get the students prepared. So we review the tips of reading and writing, especially a multiple choice test and writing tips on what becomes like a level 4. I give students an example of a rubric on how the standardized testing will be marking to. This is not exactly to it, but it is very similar, and you can use this for any sort of writing response. For reading, we'll have something like this, a passage, which can be narrative, it could be opinion, and then a short answer question. For writing, I'll give out these prompts, and there are different types of writing pieces. Or what I do is I put this on the board, I project the writing prompt on the board, and students write it in their notebook. I have thought about it, should I put this online, assign it online, but I did not. I have not done it, and there's a reason for it. And it's because teachers, we all know who is ChatGPTing this year, okay? It's very apparent. This ensures that they are doing it in class. I make sure they do it pencil and paper. I know on the actual provincial testing, they're doing it online, but in this way, I know that this is in the student's own words. And even though I'm not teaching to a test, you know what this is really helpful though, is because since report cards are coming up, this is also a good, relevant, timely mark that can be added to report cards because it really shows what students know and what they can do. And not all students work well right there, then and there. You have to make sure that you're modifying and accommodating to your IEP students. But after I read especially their written responses, I write comments and we address it as a class, or I might conference with each one on what can be improved. I already see a huge difference, and we've done 3 prompts so far. You can find this resource on my website or on my TPT.